5 successful tips to painting slick surfaces. Numero uno, clean it. I use Dixie Belle's White Lightning. It comes in granular form and I mix it in a 32-ounce bottle with warm water. Warm water because it's like sugar and sweet tea, it just dissolves faster. White Lightning is a TSP degreaser deglosser. So if it's a super nasty piece, you can always get like a kitchen sponge and scrape all the gross and grime off. This piece is not that bad, so we're just gonna get a paper towel. You have 2 options when you're painting something slick. You can either give it a scuff sand or you can use a bonding primer like Dixie Belle's Slick Stick. I feel like I'm gonna be just fine doing a scuff sand on this one, so that's what we're gonna do. You're gonna get a 220 grit sandpaper and work out all your aggression. Number 3, mix the beverage of your choice. Mine is JD and DDP, baby. Number 4, pick and paint your colors. We're going with Rusty Nail and Driftwood. Step number 5, seal it. I like Dixie Belle's Satin. It comes